Hi guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to set up auto reply on WhatsApp Messenger. So the first thing that you should do is you just have to open your WhatsApp business. Okay, so to set up the auto reply on WhatsApp, you have to make sure that you're using the WhatsApp business. You just have to download it from your Play Store or App Store. So now that you're here, just click on the three dots at the top right and then select settings. Next, click on the business tools and you'd be directed to the section. So we have the greeting message, away message, and your quick replies. So let us start with the greeting message. So when you click on your greeting message right here, you can welcome your new customers automatically. So just have to simply click on this one. So right here, make sure to toggle the switch on and then click on the pencil icon in order for you to customize your greeting message. So after that, just click on OK and then click on save at the top right of your screen. Now for the away message, you can reply automatically with a message when you are away. So you just have to customize your away message as well and click on save. And for the quick replies, so what would be the shortcut? So you just have to tap right here, shortcut, and then the reply message. So after finalizing your quick replies, you just have to click on the save option in the top right of your screen.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.